अमोणा गांवाक प्रदूषित करीत वेदांता कंपनीचो पीक आयनाचो प्लांट बंद करचो अशी मागणी काँग्रेस पक्षान केल्या। प्रदूषणाचो थेट परिणाम गांवकारांच्या भलायकेचेर जाता, ताका लागून गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाक निवेदन भेटोवन मंडळान हे विशीं बेगोबेग कारवाय करची अशी मागणी केल्या।
Now, after so many, I think, hearing, there is a hearing which has happened where he also has been a party. You have asked them to comply to certain parameters. You have asked them to do certain data analysis, which they have not done. With reference to your show cause dated 28 June, you have mentioned that, I'll just read one line. Whereas the compliance report, as aforesaid stated, has been considered by the board and the same is found unsatisfactory. That means the report which they have submitted or probably you have done, we don't know, is unsatisfactory, as the unit has not installed or conducted dust fall monitoring. So that for that reason you have given them show cause of 7 days, failing which you are saying I will be compelled, the board will be compelled to initiate stringent legal action against you under provision of Water Prevention Act 1974 and 1981. So this is in June.
After this, action explain after your show cause notice, that was in June. Then we are in November.
Again, August you have reminded them. 15th of September you have written specially to him that he still not put that monitoring system of fall measurement. So that means they are taking you for granted, no? The crony capitalist is taking you for granted today. So if they are not complying to your orders and to your show cause, you should shut down the plant.
To be clear, this matter is going on. Overall of Amona is going on Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court we have pollution. Now you have pollution you are saying. So High Court matter is been argued, lot of reports have been generated, not only by us, we have got a NERI, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. NERI is one of the most premier and long-term institute. They have been put to the investigation. They have investigated, these are only few reports. In fact, I can give this many reports of that finding, what has happened and what has changed. I'll give you. There's also no problem. Under ITI you ask and I'll give you. So it will be bigger than this one. So this is going for last at least 8 years. These issues were raised. Now we also to close is okay. Certainly where we have to close, we'll close it. Nobody has to tell us that we have to close. But we have to also follow the process of the law. So the Honorable High Court also, even Goa Foundation also filed a case. There's a Praveen Fateh case from us. This is over. I'm waiting for the first time. So that case, he knows.
He is the petitioner.
No, but he's a petitioner. But just you understand that a larger context. Listen. So entire monitoring system is in place, and this is a continuous online. We are getting it. In while doing audit, every time expert it is not that they are crossing beyond a limit, but to reduction.
Your report is beyond limit.